How to turn off Spotify dark mode. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. As you can see, it's dark mode. Now what you can do is open settings and click on display in settings. After you're in display, scroll down and click on dark mode. If it is turned on, simply turn it off. After you turn it off, or what you can also do is turn it on, click on manage apps in dark mode, and scroll down in here, search for Spotify. After you find Spotify in here, simply turn it off as well, which will remove dark mode. And this is how to turn off Spotify dark mode. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you.